In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom on Windows 11. Whether you're joining meetings for work, attending classes, or catching up with friends, Zoom has become an essential tool for virtual communication. The installation process is quick and simple, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Zoom website by typing zoom.us/download into the address bar. This will take you directly to the Download Center, where you'll find various Zoom applications. Here, we're focusing on the Zoom desktop client, which is the right choice for Windows 11 users. Once you're on the download page, look for the portal labeled as the Zoom Desktop Client or Download Center. You should see a prominent download button there. Clicking on this button will initiate the download of the Zoom installer.exe file, which is necessary for getting Zoom up and running on your computer. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Here, you should find the Zoom installer exe file you just downloaded. Double-click on this file to begin the installation process. If you encounter a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device, go ahead and click Yes to proceed. This is a standard security feature in Windows, ensuring that you are fully aware of software installations on your system. With that done, the Zoom installer will open, guiding you through the setup steps. This part of the process is very intuitive. Just follow the on-screen instructions, which generally involve clicking a Next or Install button. There's no need to worry about complex configurations, as the default settings are usually sufficient for most users. Once the installation is finished, you'll notice that Zoom opens automatically. If it doesn't open immediately, you can easily find the Zoom icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Simply double-click the icon to launch Zoom. Now that Zoom is installed and open, you're at the final step. If you already have a Zoom account, you can sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to start using Zoom's features. The sign-up process is straightforward and can be completed with an email address or by linking your Zoom account to another service like Google or Facebook. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Zoom on your Windows 11 computer. With Zoom, you can join meetings, host your own events, and stay connected with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming.